Hi students, and good afternoon all of you, and welcome to online classes. Let's come student, in your textbook page number 189 have to open and just look their pictures, this one and this one. So these are all three pictures indicate the seasons in India. So basically how many seasons are there in India? We have three seasons. So this lesson you already know that. What is that? What is this lessons? Weather and climate. So based on our previous class, we have to continue now. So as per the student, India have the three seasons: summer, monsoon, winter. Okay, just look picture here. One boy is there that in the it indicates summer season. Sun is there, so he peeling very hot. That's why eating ice cream. So in the summer season, very hot is there. That's why it indicated. So when will be the summer season there in India? Basically, it's February onwards. February onwards, it grow hot. February, March, April, May are the summer months in the India. Keep in your mind. When the summer season will be start, student? Summer seasons it start onwards February, and it grow very hot in that seasons. And basically February, March, April, and May are the summer months. Let's come students, second one, monsoon. Monsoon is there from the month of the June. Rain could gather from the month of June. Clouds gather in the sky, bringing rain in most parts of India. The rain continued till the end of September. So this is the end month of the monsoon. So in the monsoons, very clouds gather in the sky, that bringing the rain most parts of India, and it start with the June. After the end of the summer season, then June month will be monsoon start. That is the rainy season. June, July, August, and September are the rainy months in India. And let's come this year, winter season, students. Just to look at this picture, he wears the sweaters and caps, and they are feeling very cold. So that's why it indicates winter season. So after the rainy season in India, the weather becomes drier and cooler. So that is till winter season. So basically after the monsoon season, winter season will be start. So particularly October, November, December, and January. So October, November, December, and January are the winter month. That's why student, now which month is that? January. So it is the end month of winter season. Now we are feeling cold, no? For morning, just to feel that after you wake up at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, you feel the weather very cold. So that's why now is winter season. After this month onwards, February, summer season will be coming. So it is the basic points you have to keep in your mind. And one more important, student, seasons. Seasons means what? Season I am saying to. Seasons is changes in the orderly fashion. The changes of season from summer to monsoon to winter is called a cycle of season. Cycle of season means rotating of season, whether summer, after monsoon, after winter. This is going on. Summer, monsoon, winter. This is going on. This is called cycle of the season. But season changes the orderly fashion. So I hope you are understood these seasons. And now the lesson will be completed. Lesson is completed. And now before completing the lessons, I have to recap there some important points. Weather of the place can changes in the very short time. Weather of the place depends upon the conditions in the atmosphere of that place at that time. Weather of the place depends upon the temperature, moisture, air pressure, and movement of air. And also it affects the crops, air, traffic, causes disruption, radio and television transmission. So severe thunderstorms destroy the leaves in the property. You all already discussed in our previous class. And climate is condition of area over the long period of time. Climate of a place decided that type of food people eat, and that clothing and the home they live in. That's why it's very important to them. We are now feeling very winter season, so we are wearing different types of cloth, that is like sweater. Okay, so that climate can be defined as. seasons changes because of the earth revolution around the sun. Keep in mind, seasons can changes the how can changes because of the earth revolution around us. In India we have three main seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. So next class we have to study, we will exercise part. I hope you are understood. Thank you. Bye bye.